Hey guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style, your YouTube home decor channel. If you haven't done so already, please take a moment to subscribe to become part of our home decor family. Now, we always look at beautiful rooms and beautiful home decor, but today I wanted to do something a little different. I want to take a look at some rooms that just really had me scratching my head and wondering why. Now, these rooms are rooms from the past, rooms from the present. They're just going to be an accumulation of items, so let's get into it. So it's funny, I just did a video about painted and wallpapered ceilings, but this is not what I had in mind. This is a total overload. So once again, there is a whole lot going on in this kitchen. I was trying to really stare at it. I mean, there's just so much though. I don't know if this is like a Spanish type take, if this is, I'm completely confused. Comment down below what you think is going on in this room. Now, the room that we just saw, this is the master bathroom for it. Once again, a whole lot going on. I feel like I say that in every room that we're gonna look at, but trust me, guys, from knickknacks on the countertop to curtains with layers and layers and layers of ruffles. But check out how the ruffles of the towels match the ruffles of the curtain, like in an odd way. Oh, even the shower curtain matches. Actually, someone put a lot of thought into this room. Okay, so this room is actually a tartan lover's dream. This was found in a British home, and I am assuming that they loved the tartan plaid fabric so much they decided just to do everything. But can you imagine the walls, the chairs, the skirt on the table? I'm guessing this is an 80s style room. Alright friends, so I actually thought this was kind of funny. I mean, look at it. The room is very neutral, clean and calm, and then you just have this, what looks like a rock type, facade on the fireplace in the shape of a face, and it's different. I don't hate this. Would I have it in my home? No. But I do think it's creative. This room actually kind of made me chuckle. It just seems like a 1980s, 90s style, like horror thriller type room. I don't know if this is like art, but it just looks like blood splattered all over the walls. And it's so funny to me because the rest of the furniture is just so understated. Like, hey, we're just here in the living room chilling. And then you have the walls and the ceiling that looks like a really bad horror film. So much to say about this room as well. So much to say, so little to see in the room. I don't know why. I feel like this room isn't done. Like, it needs a bigger headboard, bigger lamps, just artwork, I just don't know. But check out that mirrored headboard. Very interesting indeed. So I know I said that the previous room seemed undone, but this one is done. It's really done. I mean, first off, the matching chairs in the room, there is a lot going on, but in a weird way, I can see this as decor for like an English cottage or something along those lines. What do you all think? Okay, so there are knickknacks and then there are knickknacks. This room has a lot going on. I just kind of had to chuckle at that custom, I don't know whether to call it a shelf or molding at the top that created another rack or another layer for them to just really display all of their collection. This is a lot going on in this room. Alright, so there is a lot I could say about this room. I'm going to keep it really nice though. First off, I wonder, where is the window? Do you guys think it's under those like long little panels there? I was really confused about this. Maybe it's a lower window like behind the panels, but man, the curtains, the headboard or the top of the bed, the bedding itself, man. So sponging rooms were really popular at one point. It's a great way to add some texture to the room, but I don't think it was supposed to go like this. I know I actually have a friend who used the sponge technique in her room, and what she did was painted it one color, that's my cat in the background, and then sponged it with the same color right on top. It provided a lot of texture and it was actually really pretty. It didn't turn out like this though. If you ever want to know what's appropriate for your toilet to wear on her big day, of course it's this ensemble. Seriously, you guys, I can't take this seriously. It's dainty. I feel like this would so be in a shabby chic home. You know what? The one word listed on this picture sums it up for me as well. Why? I know we live in a society where everything, everyone really likes to be transparent, but this is too much, absolutely too much. So I would think this is circa 1980s or maybe even 1970s, and I know I preach about bright, cheery rooms, even bedrooms, but this is a lot, guys. I feel like I would go in this room, never get a wink of sleep, and just be up for 4 or 5 days at a time. There's a lot going on here. And the really crazy part, it looks like it's a child's room. So for what I have researched, this looks to be a real picture. I am totally confused by it. Honestly, you can't use it as a garage. That is evident. So I'm thinking maybe it's a work house or a work, garage, a converted garage, maybe. I need some background for this picture. So here we are, another super energetic room that just really elevates my blood pressure. There's a lot going in, from the faux brick wall all around to the headboard, the pillows, the comforter. I just don't see peaceful sleep when I look at this room. Now, some of the pictures I've showed you all, maybe they aren't so bad for some of you, but this, guys, I don't think, the fact that you guys watch a home decor channel shows me that you have a certain level of home decor awareness or expectation of it. This room is everything but. I can't even say really much positive about it, except if you like purple and if you like animal prints, this could be the perfect room for you. I feel like the designer said, do I want to go for a bathroom or a 1950s diner? Oh, let's do both. This is just odd to me, but in a weird way, like it kind of works. I mean, not in my house, but in someone's house. So this is either the weirdest invention ever or the smartest invention ever, I guess, depending who you are and who you ask. Would you guys buy this toilet seat? Alright, so the last 2 rooms I'm going to show you were actually designed by a designer for a television show called, I believe, Trading Spaces. The family wanted a beach theme, and the designer gave them this room to, I guess, look like a cabana. You see the chairs, the carpet looks like, sand, you have a palm tree. This is a designer, you guys. I would love to know the backstory on this as well. That is the designer right there, and she felt it was appropriate to put newspaper, and use it as wallpaper. I just want to know what the homeowners do or say or feel when they walk into their home and it's worse than when they gave it to the designer in the first place. So now here is the question of the video. What home decor mistakes have you made? Let me know all about it in the comments section. Once again, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, become part of our home decor family. Hey, if you want to see other videos, check out these 2 right here. I'm going to finish watching my Hallmark movie. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.